Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dorleans, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. So today we're doing a crochet tutorial. This is sponsored by Toyotress. All her information will be in the link below. So she sent me some goddess faux locs. I am loving it, guys. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's get this tutorial started. So first I started with my hair blown dry. I went to the gym, so my roots were kind of a little bit curly, but it's all good. We're gonna make it work. So the first thing that you want to do is to separate your hair in half. So you're gonna take your tail comb and you're just going to draw a line in the middle of your head wherever you feel comfortable. I like the space that I use, so I did just that.
Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better? Now that you've broken my trust.
Alright, now that we have our perfect half, I'm going to, put an elastic at the back, and now we're gonna get started with the front. So you're gonna take again your tail comb and you're gonna draw another straight line in the middle of your head just to make it easier for me when I braid my hair. There you go, that perfect straight line. So now we're going to section off one out so we can use the other section. Super easy, super simple, guys. You can do it.
Tell me, is she cute? Is she...
Alright, so I'm doing this method because I find it easier for me to braid my hair. So I am going to do, I think, about 5 to 6 rows. You're going to see as the video goes on. And then I'm just going to draw the rows first, and then I'm going to clip it to the side just so I know that my lines will already be straight and already be perfect for me to just braid it and get my routine going. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so now that we have that settled, I am going to push on my baby hair so I can do them later on in this video. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take some gel, and then you're going to put some gel on your hair just to have a better hold when I'm putting the elastic and then when I'm doing the crochet later. So that is my routine, guys. A lot of braiders do that. Super simple. Again, gel the root of your hair and then put elastic, and then yeah, that's about it, guys. Alright, so I want to explain the next step I'm going to do. So on this second row, I ended up doing 2 separation, and I twisted the first hair, and then I'm going to merge it and connect it to the second hair, and then put the elastic together. So I'm going to be repeating this step so you can see exactly what I'm saying more clearly. So you're going to again gel the root of your hair, put an elastic, twist your hair, and then you're going to gel the second part of your hair, put an elastic, and then you're going to connect the first braid to the second braid. So I found this method super easy. Honestly, the whole thing altogether only took me 2.5 hours. Pretty simple, guys. So just keep repeating the same method. That was the first half. Now let's go into the second half. 1, 2, 3, bam. Now that we're done the first part, now you're just gonna braid your hair to the back, connect those one to the braid that you're gonna do to the back. Super easy. 1, 2, 3, and look at it, guys, connected and all, we good. And now for the fun part. So you're gonna take your crochet tool that you're gonna use to do your crochet. So you're gonna poke it inside your hair. You're gonna take the braid, connect it to the metal part, close it, and you're gonna pull the hair to the other side, and voila, guys. So now you're gonna repeat this method with every square that has the elastic. You're gonna poke your crochet and you're gonna pull the hair right through. The reason why I did this method is because it's a very versatile crochet style. If you do it the traditional way, it's very hard to even like put your hair up or do different style, I find it's so limited. But when you do this versatile crochet method, it honestly allows you to do so much with your hair and not just like the standard and like stiff kind of boring look. This is more gonna be, again, more versatile and more flexible, and you are gonna look fabulous doing whatever you want, girl. Anyways, this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you vibe out to the music and watch until I come back. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Now that we're done the front part of our hair, the back is very simple. All you have to do is follow your cornrows going down back and, you know, apply the crochet through and through. All right, guys, so now you're gonna see the whole thing done because we ain't got time for that. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. And now let me get some makeup on and give you the full look, girls. I really enjoyed this look. This is a look I've been trying to do for a while, so thank you again, Toyotress, for sponsoring this video and for hooking your girl up with some full goddess lock. I really love this hair, guys. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe, and see you later.